So this is the world we live in, a world filled with adapters, wires to the adapters, converters, things that make our world more convenient, more pleasant to live in. And the world we live in is one that is alternating current. Alternating current, something made popular, very popular by Thomas Edison. Although we live in a world that is currently controlled and standardized by alternating current, in actuality, in the background, everything that we consider modern and civilization runs and is controlled by direct current. Things like laptops and